it is always very difficult to take a decision like that, because whatever I have got or cricketers we get in our life, it is predominantly because of cricket. That's amongst the only things, that we know how it needs to be done or what needs to be done. So it's always difficult, but if you pick the right reasons why you need to do it, in the sense why you need to leave it, it becomes quite easy to take a big decision like that. So it wasn't very difficult for me. So in my mind, I'd actually retired after the 2019 World Cup, because after that the next World Cup was too far away. If I'm not wrong, they just delayed the T20 World Cup by a year. So next year was the T20 World Cup. So I was like, there's no rush of announcing a retirement, but in my mind and in my actions, I was done. So effectively, if you ask me when did I retire, I retired in the 2019 World Cup semi-finals. For me, that was the end of it.
And then later was a decision that you finally took.
वो तो announcement हुआ ना, decision तो पहले हो गया था. It was more an announcement for everyone, that finally the closure has happened.
वो वीडियो एडिट होने में भी टाइम लग गया था.
रेंडर हो रहा था.
लंबा वीडियो था वो.
थोड़ा इंटरनेट स्लो था.
Thank you so much. Thank you.